Hi students, here is Suchya and I pick up the geography chapter of class 8th, the fourth one, and the name of the chapter is agriculture. Have you ever wondered the bread you eat, the vegetables that you consume, the pulses that you like, where do they come from? I am sure all of you will give a single answer, that is, they all come from the fields. Yes, the art of growing food on fields or on soil is termed as agriculture. So, agriculture is definitely very essential and important for human survival. So, you have already understood that agriculture means the art of growing crops on the soil. But where does the word agriculture come from? It comes from a Latin word ager and culture. Ager means soil and culture means cultivation. But there are different kinds of agriculture which are practiced in India and abroad. And their names are, supposing we say sericulture, then the rearing of silkworms is termed as sericulture. Next is pisciculture. Pisciculture is rearing of fishes. Next we have viticulture. The growing of grapes is termed as viticulture. Horticulture. The growing of fruits, vegetables is termed as horticulture. So, these are the various kinds of agriculture which are practiced for different needs. As far as agriculture is concerned, it is very important for the Indian economy because 2/3 of the Indian people, especially living in the rural areas, are completely dependent on agriculture as their occupation. But before I move forward, let me talk about the 3 economic activities of human beings, and they are primary, secondary and tertiary activity. As far as the primary activity is concerned, it means that something which is connected with nature directly, that is agriculture, fishing, mining, all that which God has given to us and we are making use of it. Then we have the secondary activity, which means the processing of the raw material which is obtained in the primary activity. It could be making a cloth, making bread out of the wheat. So, that is the secondary activity, the processing of the raw material. Then we have the tertiary activity. Tertiary activity is in fact that activity which is responsible for providing services to the primary and the secondary activity in any form. It could be banking, transportation, hospitality. So, all 3 of them are interconnected. Primary is the one which produces, secondary is the one which processes it, and tertiary is the one which does what? Which provides help, service, so that both the sectors actually can work properly. Now, the land which is fit for cultivation is termed as arable land. So, you have understood that agriculture is the backbone of the mankind and especially of India.